9 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and locally over 3 inches of rain has already fallen. Thunderstorms will continue to produce rainfall rates of locally 1 inch per hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include significant flash flooding, radar, rapid onset, significant flooding of creeks, drainage ditches, and urban areas, possible flooding of structures, widespread roadway flooding. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, Mackesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Lake Somerset, Durand, Capron, Timberlane, New Milford, and Garden Prairie. Several automated weather stations in Rockford have measured 2 to 3 inches of rain this morning. Most of it fell within 90 minutes. Stay away from flooded ditches, culverts, canals, and detention ponds. Repeating, a flash flood warning remains in effect until 8 a.m. for the following counties: Winnebago, Illinois,